As a family company, we thank you for trusting us to help your family get what you need, no matter how you shop with us, in-store or online. Ordering groceries for delivery or curbside pickup to your home through Wegmans.com or the Wegmans app is easy. Here's how it works. Go to Wegmans.com on your computer. If you don't have an online account with us, you'll have to create one here using your email and a password. Click Sign In Register in the upper right corner of the screen. Then click Create an Account. Enter all your personal information, including a valid email address and password. Then click Create Online Account. Make sure you add your Shoppers Club. Once those are set, you're ready to build a shopping list for curbside pickup, delivery, or in-store if you'll do the shopping on your own. We'll demonstrate using Curbside Pickup. Click the icon. You can now shop by department or use the search box to help you find specific items. Click the red Add to Cart button to add an item to your cart. Continue shopping for more items by searching or clicking the bold department names. Change the quantity of an item with the plus or minus buttons. In the upper right corner, you'll see your running total. Click the button to see your cart. Once you reach a $35 minimum for curbside pickup, you can check out and pay for items clicking the red checkout button in the right column. On this screen, you'll confirm your store, curbside pickup date and time, and pay for your order with a credit card. Click Save in Profile to make payment easier for future orders. Click Place Order to complete the process. Watch your email's inbox for an order confirmation and a second email when your order is ready for pickup at the store. Here are some tips to help you save time. When you add your cell phone number to your profile, your shopper can text you with questions about your order. Although an item may show online, it could be unavailable when your shopper picks up your order. So make sure the Allow box is checked next to each item in your cart, and your shopper will use their best judgment to select alternatives for any out-of-stock items. Add a note under an item if you have preferences for substitutes. Contactless Delivery is also available from our Instacart partners who will leave your order at your doorstep and is the default option when placing a delivery order. All of this convenience is also available on our Wegmans app. You can search for items, add them to your cart, and pay right from the app. We hope you enjoy the convenience of delivery and curbside pickup. And thank you for shopping at Wegmans.